Apple's services have become a significant contributor to its profitability recently. Services like Apple Music and Apple TV Plus have gained massive popularity worldwide. The company's focus on creating a seamless ecosystem has paid off significantly. By integrating hardware and software, Apple has created a loyal customer base. Users are drawn to the ease of use and convenience of Apple's services and products. The App Store has also played a crucial role in generating revenue for Apple. Developers pay a fee to list their apps on the store, contributing to Apple's income. Subscription-based services have become a major source of high-margin revenue. Apple's ability to lock in customers to its ecosystem has been a key factor. The more services a user subscribes to, the less likely they are to switch brands. The resulting loyalty has enabled Apple to maintain a competitive edge in the market. Apple's ecosystem creates a lock-in effect, driving customer loyalty and retention. Subscriptions to services like Apple Music and Apple TV Plus generate high-margin revenue. App Store fees also contribute to the company's growing profitability. Developers pay a percentage of their app's revenue to Apple, increasing its earnings. The more services a user subscribes to, the more difficult it becomes to switch. Canceling a subscription requires navigating complex settings and menus. Monthly bills and calendar reminders reinforce the ecosystem's stickiness. Data center servers store and manage user data, making it hard to leave. Startup teams analyze Apple's success, seeking to replicate its ecosystem lock-in. Whiteboard sessions focus on creating seamless user experiences and integrations. High-margin revenue streams enable Apple to invest in new technologies and services. By understanding the role of ecosystem lock-in, we can see why Apple's services are so profitable. Apple's services generate high-margin revenue through subscription-based models. Subscriptions create a steady stream of income from loyal customers. Ecosystem lock-in encourages users to stay within the Apple network. App Store fees provide an additional revenue source for Apple. Developers pay a percentage of their app's revenue to Apple. This fee-based system contributes to Apple's high-margin revenue. Monthly bills and calendar reminders ensure consistent payments. Data center servers process vast amounts of user data and transactions. Startup teams analyze user behavior to optimize their services. Abstract code screens and server racks facilitate the flow of data. Credit card information and billing statements are securely stored. By understanding ecosystem lock-in, we can see why Apple's services thrive. Apple's services segment has experienced tremendous growth in recent years. The App Store plays a crucial role in this success story, generating massive revenue. Developers pay a significant fee to Apple for every transaction made through the store. This fee-based model creates a high-margin revenue stream for the company. Subscription services, like Apple Music and Apple TV Plus, also contribute to profitability. By locking users into the ecosystem, Apple ensures a steady stream of revenue. Users often find it difficult to cancel subscriptions due to the convenience factor. A person may try to cancel a subscription on their laptop, but still get billed. Monthly bills and calendar reminders can serve as a reminder of these recurring payments. Behind the scenes, data center servers process countless transactions every day. Startup teams, like the one gathered around the whiteboard, strive to replicate this success. The key to Apple's services segment lies in its ability to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. Businesses can learn from Apple's strategy by creating their own ecosystems. Locking in customers through subscriptions and fees is a key aspect. High-margin revenue streams are crucial for long-term profitability and growth. Apple's success can be attributed to its ability to integrate services seamlessly. Other companies can replicate this by focusing on user experience and convenience. Startup teams should prioritize building a loyal customer base and retention. Analyzing Apple's approach reveals the importance of a self-sustaining ecosystem. Services like music and video streaming contribute significantly to revenue. App Store fees also generate substantial income for the company. Data center servers play a vital role in supporting these services and storing data. By understanding Apple's strategy, businesses can develop their own paths to profitability. Ultimately, creating a loyal customer base through ecosystem lock-in is essential. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.